doing solving problems involving equal groups by using the strategy acted out. Okay, read the story problem with me. Theo puts his stickers in 5 rows. There are 3 stickers in each row. How many stickers does Theo have? Okay, rows, guys, go sideways. Okay? Think about this. You guys are the first row. You guys are the second row, okay? Rows go sideways, or think about a movie theater. Your mom might say, okay, go to the second row. You're going to go to the one that's going this way, right? Okay? So he puts stickers in 5 rows. So think about there's 5 rows. Okay? 3 stickers are in each row. So these are the stickers. Okay? What do I need to find? How many stickers Theo has, right? Yep. What information do we need to use? We know that there are 5 rows of stickers, and that there are 3 stickers in each row. Show how to solve the problem. Okay, I started drawing it right here, but let's do it together right now. Let's draw a picture. 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Draw 5 rows. Now let's draw little stickers in each row. How many stickers in each row? 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, what can we do to count these? Do we have to just count by ones? What can we count by? Hudson? 3s. So we have 3 for the first row, right? What would the next number be? 6. 3, 6. 3 more than 6. 9. 3, 6, 9. I can tell you guys on how to get count by 3s. 12. 3, 6, 9. 12. 15. Okay. So how many stickers does Theo have? 15 stickers. Okay, right, 15 stickers. Yes, you have to write stickers because you have to have a label for your answers. When you get to 3rd grade, you always have to have a label for your answers. You need to start learning that in 2nd grade. Keep going, please. Okay.
Hey, I wasn't right.
Well, let's go.
Try another problem.
Turn your paper over if you're done. All right. Try another problem. Act out the problem. Draw to show what you did. Let's read it. Maria puts all of her postcards in 4 rows. There are 3 postcards in each row. How many postcards does Maria have? What are we going to do? 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. Then what are we going to do, Nicholas?
Put 3 on each row.
3 on each row. 3 counters on each row for the note cards or the postcards. What are we counting by again, boys and girls? 3s. So we know we start with 3.
We know that 6.
9. 12.
Okay, this time they have the label for you. Aren't they nice? So what number are we putting up there?
12.
12. Let's see if you guys... Okay, see if you guys... This one's kind of tricky. Okay, see if you can figure it out. Jamal is that name. Jamal. Jamal puts 4 toys in each box. How many toys will he put in 4 boxes? I would draw 4 big boxes. 4 big boxes. Okay? Because he said there's 4 boxes. And how many toys does he put inside each box?
4.
So I would draw 4 toys in each box. Does that make sense? Because he said he puts 4 toys in the boxes, right? And then he said there's 4 boxes. So you have to put 4 toys in each 4 boxes. Now, what are we skip counting by this time, boys and girls? 4s. So we would have 4 more would be 8,
12.
12,
16.
16.
I don't get it.
16 toys.
Adding.
What do you mean? Yeah, it's adding. You have 4. 4 more than that?
It's counting by even.
It's 8. 4 more than 8 is 12.
No, she's hot.
4 more than 12 is 16. Okay, can I tell you guys something?
Yeah.
This is basically multiplication. You will have to know how to do this next year.
I love multiplication.
Okay? You will now have to know how to add. That's why it's super important for you guys to learn how to skip count by all the numbers. Okay? That's by 2s. But by 3s, are you that fast by 3s? Are you that fast by 4s?
No.
You might be by 5s.
5, 10,
Yeah.
5, 10, 50.
Okay, so what is it? By 10s. You can also probably skip count by 10s pretty easy. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You guys need to practice counting by 3s and 4s. 3s and 4s, okay? Because it looks like, it sounds like you know how to count by 2s, 5s, and 10s. Sounds like you need to count, practice skip counting by your 3s and 4s.
Put these on the mailbox.
Alright, I will let you do this with a partner.
Mommy, go put these in the mailbox. I've never been
Okay, let's look. This is like what you did yesterday. Number 6 is like what you did yesterday. You can write the numbers, do the box that's missing, and then find out what the answer is. Number 7. Angela used these counters to act out a problem. Write out a problem about equal groups that Angela could have modeled in these counters. Okay, if we're going to go with a problem, what do we need first? We first need a name, right? Guys, all of our problems always basically start with names, right? Okay, so easy name. Nicholas.
Jim.
Jim again. Okay, we must learn.
I mean, Jim.
Okay, Jim. What about Jim?
Jim
Has what? Okay, no, okay, cookies. We're just going to say cookies, okay? Now, he had, or, we need to say something about rows probably first, because these are in rows, right? So Jim puts
cookies.
Cookies in how many rows? How
Two
many
rows.
rows?
Two.
Okay. Jim puts cookies in 2 rows. Jim puts cookies in 2 rows.
Period.
Yep, well, period, yes.
And then we have to write more.
Yeah, we're gonna have to write more.
Oh,
Okay, what do we know again, Hudson?
there are 5 cookies in each row.
Okay. There are 5 cookies in each row. All right, what do I need for my question now, Ellie? How many cookies are in all? Question mark. All done. Actually,
I'm not done.
yep, it just says run